The existence of the Galaxy Note series is hanging just by a thread. We have received both type of leaks, some claiming that the Note 21 is dead, others say that it is staying, and some say that only one Note will be made and that will be the Note 20 FE. So today we will look at all the leaks and what I think is going to happen. Is the Note dead or not, and much more things. But before we start, hello guys, how are you? And if you are enjoying, a sub would be massively appreciated. So to not waste any more time, simply the Galaxy Note is dead. Maybe. So two of the trusted insiders have claimed that there will no longer be a Galaxy Note smartphone in 2021. First of them is the well-spoken Snowcat who posted this image. The end. And the second source is Rose Young, who also claimed that there is no Note 21 coming this year. So if these leaks are to be believed, the Galaxy Note 21 is dead AF. And it makes some sense because for the first time in ever, Samsung made the Galaxy S series compatible with the S Pen, and more than likely the Z Fold 3 will come with the S Pen. And because the price difference between the Z Fold 2 and Note 20 Ultra isn't that much big, if you are willing to spend that much on the Note Ultra, you can pony up and go for the Z Fold 3, where you will get so much more stuff and still get to have the pen, which will be even more better on a bigger display. So it makes all sense that Samsung is killing the Note 21, as they now have a slab flagship which does support the S Pen with two folding flagships, one of which also comes with the S Pen. So then who is the Note left for? Because I'm a huge Note fan and probably I would also go for the Z Fold 3 over the Note 21 Ultra. And as the foldable tech becomes more common, it's gotta get cheaper and better. But for the Note fans, including me, I do want at least one last Note so that we can have a proper send-off. And that's also what exactly my thoughts are about this. My brain says the Galaxy Note is dead, but my heart just refuses to believe it. If you are a big time Note fan, there might still be some good news in the form of the Galaxy Note 20 FE. This would make sense, as if you can't afford the Z Fold 3 or the S21 Ultra plus the cost of the pen and the case, then you might want the option of the much cheaper Note 20 FE rather than the Ultra. And the fan edition branding might also do justice to the end of the Note series, as it will be for sure much cheaper, being around $800, so it will appeal to a much broader audience. Still guys, I do hope that the leaks are not correct. I hope that the Note lives at least this year, and hopefully Samsung can differentiate it from other Galaxy phones by being the world's first smartphone with a UPC under panel camera, which Samsung just announced a couple of days ago. Let me know guys your thoughts about the possible death of the Note series. I just hate it, man, there's no word, I literally hate it. If there are any new news about the Note 21, I will be the first one to cover it, so subscribe to not miss out on that. One like equals one prayer guys for the Note, so do that. Follow me over on Twitter, and thanks a lot for watching guys.